Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. Yes, this is your Margaret teacher from Toddledom and I'm your nursery teacher. Okay, so children, today we are going to learn alphabets. Okay, so now which alphabets we are going to learn? I'm going to tell you later. Okay, so first let's say our letters. Okay, we need to learn our letters. Like I already told you in the last lecture that we have 26 alphabets. Okay, so children, let's start saying our letters. Come on children. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job children. So now, which letter are we going to learn today children? We are going to learn the first letter. Okay, we are going to learn the first letter. Now, which is the first letter? Yes, the first letter is letter A. That's right. The first letter is letter A. Okay, children. So, now, can you all repeat after me? A. Okay. Now, this is how A looks and I want you to look at this letter and I want you to recognize and I want you to learn how this letter A looks. Okay children, so now I'm going to teach you the sound for letter A. That's right. Let's learn the sound for letter A. Okay. Now the sound for letter A is A. Okay. The sound for letter A is A. Okay. A says A. Now children, I'm going to tell you a story. Okay. So are you all excited? Yes. Are you all excited to hear a story of letter A? Okay. So here we go. Once upon a time, there was an ant. Yes, can you see that ant? The ant was moving all around. You know why? Because the ant was very hungry and he was looking around to eat something. And then as he was moving, he saw an apple tree. That's right. Can you see that apple tree with so many apples? Yes. So the ant saw the apple tree and the ant saw the apple tree and his mouth started watering because he wanted to eat that apple. That's right. Now how do we do now? What do the ant do to get the apple? He prayed to God and said, God, please drop one apple down. And God heard his prayers and one apple came down. And he took that apple and he started eating. And as he was eating, from the other side came an alligator. Yes, can you see the alligator? Yes. And as he saw the apple tree, he felt, wow, the apple tree is so healthy. The apples are so healthy. I need to eat one apple. And so he decided to go to the apple tree and eat the apple. But then what? He started grabbing the apple from the ant's mouth. So the alligator started snatching the apple from the ant's mouth, which was not right. But the apple tree saw that the ant and the alligator, they both were fighting for that one apple. So he told them, "Hey friends, don't fight. Don't fight, my dear friend ant and my dear friend alligator. I will drop a lot of apples for you." And so the apple tree shook himself, and as he shook, there were a lot of apples that fell from the tree. And they were so happy. And they both decided that they would collect all the apples and they would go and share all these apples with their friends, and they thanked the apple tree. Okay, children, so how did you like the story? Okay, now through the story, I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to help you recognize the pictures from letter A. Okay, children? So first was ant. Yes, A says A for ant. Yes, then who comes? Then comes the apple. A sounds A for apple. Then comes the alligator. A sounds A for alligator. Yes. So children, did you see? Through the story you learnt letter A, and you even learnt the sound, and you even saw the different pictures and objects from letter A. Okay? So children, now I'm going to teach you how to write letter A. Okay? So here we go. Okay, so children, this is uppercase A. A says A for aeroplane. Now let's start writing letter A. Okay, let's start writing letter A. So keep your pencil on the red line, go on the dotted line, slanting line, two slanting line, and then a middle sleeping line. This is letter A. Come on children, can you write this? Two slanting line and a middle sleeping line. This is uppercase A. This is uppercase A. So this is how you write letter A. Two slanting line and then a middle sleeping line to connect both the slanting line, and this is letter A. Come on children, this is letter A. Keep your pencil on the red line, go on the dotted line, slanting line, and then another slanting line and a sleeping line to connect both the slanting lines. So this is letter A. This is how you write letter A, uppercase A. This is called uppercase A. So now children, let's write letter A. Okay, keep the pencil on the red line. Okay, go put a slanting line, two slanting line and one sleeping line to connect both the slanting line. So this is your letter A. This is your letter A. Uppercase A. Keep your pencil on the red line, make a slanting line, make another slanting line and a middle sleeping line, okay, to connect both the slanting lines. So this is your letter A. Okay, I hope children you will be able to recognize your letter A. Okay, this is letter A. Okay, this is letter A. Okay, so this is how your letter A will look. Okay children, so I hope you understood how to write letter A. So today we learnt letter A, sound of letter A and different pictures from letter A. And at the same time we learned how to write letter A. So children, I want you to practice this at home. Okay children, so take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.